Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting prerequisites in place. Install Xcode from the App Store, then run Xcode select install to get command line tools. Once done, install Homebrew and use Brew to install Git and curl so you can fetch packages reliably. If you have an Apple Silicon Mac, enable Rosetta for legacy tools. Check architecture with uname M so you know which binaries to use. These steps remove common blockers and prepare your system to run Flutter's toolchain. Next, download and extract the Flutter SDK to a stable folder like /opt/flutter or /development/flutter so updates are simpler. Then add flutter/bin to your path in /, zshrc or /. Bash profile and source that file so the Flutter command is immediately available. Run Flutter Doctor to detect missing components. It lists required Android SDKs, platform tools, and Xcode setup. You must follow each suggestion, because Flutter Doctor configures how Android Studio, VS Code, and Xcode integrate with Flutter. Finally, configure devices and finish setup. Install Android command line tools and required SDK platforms, then create or download an emulator image. Use SDK Manager and App Manager, or use Android Studio's GUI. In Xcode, install additional components and create a simulator, because Flutter runs on iOS simulators directly. Run Flutter create MyApp and Flutter Run to verify everything works. If something goes wrong, rerun Flutter Doctor, review the verbose logs, and resolve the first listed error. Fixing the top issue usually fixes downstream failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.